soon, better pick them like a lottery. I'm about to blow up, I need 100 apologies. Better come and follow me.
Hey, welcome to Guidance as I continue with the series on the various IFMA certifications and how to obtain them. This video I'm going to focus on the Sustainability Facility Professional, or SFP. This is a specialty knowledge-based credential. So unlike the CFM, which proves you're an expert, the SFP is designed to make you an expert in sustainable FM practices. It's perfect for those who want to focus on data-driven decision-making and the triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit. Here's a breakdown of what a first-timer should kind of expect. You have a three-module structure. It's more streamlined than the FMP, consisting of three specific modules that must be completed in order. First module is Strategy and Alignment, which focuses on how to align sustainability with the overall organizational mission. Module 2 focuses on managing sustainable facilities. This covers the development of sustainable programs, including financial and change management. Module 3, Operating Sustainable Facilities, is very technical, focusing on the 8 categories of sustainability. Those categories are energy, water, materials and resources, workplace management, indoor environmental quality, quality of services, waste, and site impact. The SFP is an assessment-based certificate, so each of the 3 modules has its own final exam. Passing score of 75% or higher is required for each assessment. You generally have 3 attempts to pass each module, so if you fail all 3, you may be locked out for a short period to allow more study time. Like the FMP, these are online and can be taken at your own pace from your own computer, so technically it's open book. Because this is a specialty credential, the content is quite dense. Study time, expect to invest 25 to 75 hours in total. If you are a fast reader and have some green building background, you might lean towards the lower end. As far as study materials, IFMA is big on sustainability for this one, so the program is digital first. You can pay extra for printed books. The standard course, though, is entirely online, which kind of goes hand in hand with sustainability. Unlike the FMP and very much like the CFM, the SFP is not for life. It has a 3-year validity period, so to keep the designation, you must demonstrate your understanding of the latest sustainability developments by completing an online update course every 3 years. So, hopefully that answers a lot of your questions regarding the SFP. If you'd like some more information, you can always go to ifma.org for additional information, or reach out to me in messages, and I'll do what I can to help as best as I can. If you go on IFMA and reach out to a local IFMA chapter member, you'll get some expert support and direction on how to go about getting your credential. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you are always safe. Thank you.
Nature is mine.